I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me. Although you're a part, we're a part of my heart, and tonight you belong to me. Way down by the street, how sweet it will seem once more just to dream in the moonlight. My honey, I know with the dawn that you will be gone, and tonight you belong to me, just a little of me. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com, and today we're making Tonight You Belong to Me. I'm not really sure who wrote this song and where I know it from, but I'll teach you how to play it the way it's stuck in my head for some reason. Alright, so first let me show you the chords, after that we'll continue with the tutorial. The first chord we need is the chord of G, then the chord of G7, then C, and C minor. Then we need the chord of D. I'll show you how to do a little thing that requires both ways to grab the D chord, with open A string and with A string on 5th fret like this. After that, for the chords we also need the chord of E7 and the chord of A7. Alright, that's all the chords we need. Okay, so the way I remember the song, the string pattern is kind of interesting. It is something like down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm doing it over G. Okay, so let's see the intro now. We have a little pick here. So I'm doing with the strumming pattern down, up, and on the next up, I'm putting my pinky here on the 3rd fret of the A string. And on the next down, I remove it. And after that, I'm doing this thing on the E string, 3rd fret, then A string, open. Okay, so. And when you're doing this with the picking pattern, on the second time, you're not doing the last down up, okay? So here is it slowly. And again. All right, so you're doing this as the intro, and after that you go to the verse where you keep the same string pattern, and when I'm on the G and on the G7, I'm doing this thing with the pinky on the 3rd fret, like this. And here on D, the first strum is with A string open, second strum with A string 5th fret. You belong to me. And here on the first verse only, we're doing this with the D. On the A string is the whole thing. 5, 5, 3, 2, open. All right, so here's it. I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me. Down, up, down, up, down. And on the first verse, we keep on going. Although we're apart, you're a part of my heart, but tonight you belong belong to me. And before going to the chorus, we're just repeating 2 times G. And after that, we go to the chorus. Way down by the stream, how sweet it will seem once more, just to E7, to the A7, to D. And here on D, I'm doing one downstrum and I'm staying quiet after that. My honey, I know with the dawn that you will be gone, but tonight you belong to me. And only on the outro we are finishing the verse a little bit differently. Just a little old me. And I think that sums up the song. Let's do the play along now. Okay, thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you. Give it a thumbs up if it did, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this thing, and also maybe if I upload some other video every once in a while, I don't know. Anyway, goodbye.